us now cross over live to Kukusa, who is in Siaya and not Homa Bay, as I'd earlier mentioned, where the World Malaria Day celebrations is currently happening. A very good afternoon to you. Oko, what more details can you give us from there? Who's attended this particular event?
Yes, Zainab, as you've mentioned there, indeed, the World Malaria Day is being marked here in Siaya County. We have just ended the first session of these celebrations, and that was the launch of the Kenya Malaria Strategy 2019-2013 and the Kenya Malaria Monitoring and Evaluation Strategy. Very two key important documents that have just been launched right here in that hall you're seeing behind me there by the Chief Administrative Secretary in the Ministry of Health, that is Dr. Rashid Aman. Remember, this particular event was supposed to have been graced by the CS, that is the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Cecily Kariuki, but unfortunately she didn't turn up, and instead was represented by Dr. Rashid, who delivered the official message from the CS, that is Cecily Kariuki. And during the launch of this particular strategy, which is supposed to run between 2019 to 2023, it's a 5-year blueprint document which the ministry is hoping will help in the fight against malaria in terms of elimination and prevention. A lot of issues have come up. It's a strategy, a 6-point strategy that has been launched here, whose goal actually is to reduce incidents and malaria deaths in Kenya by 75%. That is according to 2016 levels. So by 2023, they expect that they will have actually reduced those incidences and malaria deaths in Kenya by 75%. Remember, 70% of deaths or illnesses in Kenya are attributed to malaria, and therefore this particular document that has been launched today here by the ministry is expected to be a milestone in terms of the fight against malaria. Some of the highlights again there is that the ministry intends to completely eliminate malaria in 4 counties, that is Nyandarua, Nyeri, Kirinyaga and Laikipia, in the next 5 years by 2023. So a lot of malaria talks here. From here, they are moving to the KMTC grounds, where they're going to have the celebrations that are going to involve members of the public. We've seen the area governor, that is Colonel Rasanga, gracing this particular launch here, and a host of dignitaries, partners. This particular strategy, according to the ministry, is going to cost 62 billion shillings, with 67% of that money being allocated towards prevention. Back to you, Zainab.